So here we have a copy of the 67.2 volt 10 amp lithium battery charger used on the Sur-Ron LBX electric bike and many other models that take this connector here. It has the UK plug on the end and it's very good quality. It has a fan inside. It's got some decent weight to it. And it is an exact copy of the one that we had in the warehouse and checked. This model here. We had that in the warehouse with the bike, this bike here, and we know that our copy works perfectly fine with that model. We are AC adapters are us. I'll show you outside. So if you want one, this is where we are in Leicester, 016-212-2754, or email us sales@acadaptersrs.co.uk. Our opening times are Monday to Friday, 9 till 4 p.m. Thank you for watching.